Are you tired of seeing your hard-earned Etsy profits disappear into buying more and more mock-ups? We know that in the world of online retail, presentation is everything. It's especially true for your Etsy store owners when you're trying to stand out from the competition. And one way you can do that is by creating unique and compelling product mock-ups. But now instead of buying them, you can create your own with AI image creators like Midjourney. Whether you're enhancing your own products or planning to start a mock-up store, AI has got you covered. With so many trying to make their living online, the demand for professional mock-ups is skyrocketing. A quick Etsy search and a dash of product analysis with Everbee reveals a booming market where people are literally raking in thousands of dollars selling mock-ups. Stay tuned till the end to discover the prompt that generated these images. Explore my other videos for more AI image prompts. If you've got a product in mind and need a video on the image prompt to create it, drop a comment below. And just quickly, if you're not sure how to use these images after creating them in Midjourney, I will show you how to use them right now. There are many free and paid tools out there for image editing. My two favorite are Canva and Photoshop. Canva does have a free version as well as a paid version. I'll put a link in the description for the free trial. Once you've created your image in Midjourney, all you need to do is copy the image, paste it into Canva, and then in this case, add the t-shirt design over top of it. Size it so it looks right. Drop the transparency a bit so it looks a little bit more realistic. And there you have it. I always like to do this first to ensure that the mockup is usable if I'm going to list it for sale on Etsy. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video brings you one step closer to your Etsy success story.